Wait, before you check if this is the end of the video, no, this is actually the beginning, but this is what I am going to be teaching you in this video, how to make your end screens to pop like the one you're currently seeing. And if you watch the video to the end, I'm also going to teach you how to add end screens to your video using your mobile phone. Are you excited already? So am I. Let's jump right in, and I hope I caught you in that trick. If smartphones are regarded as one of the major sources of distraction, then learning how to use your smartphone productively is very important. And on this channel, we teach everything about smartphone productivity and profitability. And if this is the kind of video you want to keep receiving, hit the subscribe button down below. And to get notified when I release a fresh video, hit the bell icon and you will be first to know when I drop a fresh video. My name is Frederick. Keep watching. Hey there, welcome back to another edition of Tutorial Wednesday. If this is your first time on my channel, you are very welcome, and I believe you might want to see more videos from me. So hit the subscribe button right now and turn on notification so you always get an awesome video update on my channel. And if you are a returning viewer, you are also very welcome, and thank you once again for coming back to see a video on my channel. And I want you to do something right now. Hit the thumbs up button right below this video so that more people will get to discover this video. So what are end screen? End screen is actually one of the ways that you can get people to stick on your channel after watching a video. So end screen directs people to see more videos or check out some playlists on your video, or even to subscribe to your channel when they are done watching a video. I know it could be quite difficult sometimes for people to see videos to the end, but for the few that actually get to see videos to the end, you would want to keep them on your channel, increasing your watch time, increasing your views by getting them to watch more videos on your channel. And it's awesome when you create an awesome end screen that is going to be captivating them, and not just leave your end screens to be dull the way it would normally look without an extra touch. Awesome. So the first thing I'm going to do is to open my Kinemaster. I'm going to tap on create new. All right, and I'm going to tap on next. Okay, so like I said, you need to consider your brand color here. I want to make the graphics for the background of my video. All right, so I'm going to consider my brand color is orange and yellow. All right, so I'm first of going to bring in a black background. All right, so and extend it to 20 seconds. Okay, extending to 20 seconds. Okay, make sure it doesn't exceed 20 seconds because that's the length that YouTube end screens can get to. Okay, so now, like I said, I am still considering that it's for my channel. Okay, so I'm going to go to the layer. All right, I went to the layer. Let me go back and show you what I did here. Okay, so I went to layer, then handwriting, then I'm going to tap on this button and select the field square. All right, then I selected the color orange. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do this. Okay, so I've done this right now, and I want it to fill the middle of the screen. All right, so we have this right now. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to now, okay, of course I'll still extend. I'm going to go back to layer to start bringing in the shape. All right, that's the frame for the end screen videos. All right, so this is the first one that is going to be here. This is the first one that will be here. All right, it's okay that it entered that place. All right, it's all part of the design I want to make here. So, and now I want to ensure that the video does not go to inside. All right, and then I need to ensure that, you know, so this at this point here, an end screen video can actually enter. Okay, at this point an end screen video can get in. All right, so the next thing I want to do is I'm going to select this one I've done, duplicate it. All right, so having duplicated it, I'm going to bring it to this other end. All right, so I'm going to bring it to this other end and drop it right here. Okay, so I've dropped that right there. All right, so the next thing is now the shape for the subscribe button. All right, so the subscribe button frame, so let's change to circle and then draw out a circle right here. Okay, so let's draw out the circle right here. So this is it. All right, So that's the circle. Let's put it up here as well. Okay, so we have it right here. All right, so we have for the subscribe button right here. Okay, all right, so now we have gotten the frame for all of our end screen images or videos and subscribe button. All right, so I might want to do something on this one, this particular one. I might want to probably do something like this. Like I said, this all I'm doing right now is all about design. It all depends. All you just need to understand is the basics. Okay, once you understand the basics, you can freestyle this to look anyhow you want it to look like. Okay, so I have gotten mine right now. Okay, so at this moment I'm going to extend them to the end. Okay, extend everything to the end of the video. Okay, extend everything to the end of your video. All right, to the end of the video. Okay, awesome. So we have gotten this right. So now let's bring in some cool things that can be happening, like the overall animation. All right, so this is an overall animation. Okay, first off, let's use the stroke. Okay, let's use the stroke in animation, draw by stroke. All right, draw by stroke. Okay, then now if you now want to use an overall animation like a flicker, all right, like this, something like this, or a pause. All right, or a pause. Okay, let's use pause. Okay, let's use pause for the overall animation. Pause for overall animation. Okay, so now we have this. All right, you see how it's blinking. So the next thing that I might want to do is something like subscribe. All right, so let's bring in a text. Subscribe for more videos, maybe. Okay, I'll bring in that for more videos, but let's just write subscribe first. Okay, go to font style. I like to use this particular one. Is that it? Okay, I like to use the rock sort. All right, so we have rock sort. Okay, so let's keep it right there and change the color to orange again, or yellow. All right, so the next thing is the arrow. All right, let's go to sticker and then find an appropriate arrow we would want to use to point at where to tap and subscribe. Okay, let's get an arrow. Okay, so we have some arrows here. Okay, we have some arrows, so let's use this. Okay, tap settings to change the color to yellow. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is to flip, mirror and flip. Okay, so we have something right now. Bring it to the extreme. Okay, so we have something right now, and this is it. Okay, so we have this. Okay, awesome. So we have this now, right? So you might also want to bring in your social handles. All right, so you might want to bring in your social handles also. All right, so let's use my social handle, for instance, at FN eBay. All right, I had suggested for Kinemaster to bring in icons for social handles, but because we don't have it right now. Okay, so let's just keep it right here. Okay, and then use some cool font as well. Well, we don't have to use a cool font, we can just use the Roboto black. All right, change it to yellow. Of course, you would want to maintain one particular color. So I'm going to bring in some social media icons. All right, I think I have some social media icons I can bring in. Okay, where did I keep them again? Okay, so I've seen, let's go down. Okay, I've seen Facebook. Okay, let's just leave Instagram. I would have loved to add all the social handles. Okay, but for the, well, okay, all right, I like the way it is. Okay, so, well, let me just bring in another one. So I'm going to bring in Facebook. All right, you can only do this when all your social handles is the same username. Okay, so that's why I'm doing this. All my social handles is the same username. Okay, so I can actually leave this that way. All right, let's extend to the end. Remember to always extend all to the end so that this thing will not be cut halfway. All right, so we now have this. Okay, so for the person in the middle, you might want to use either that you use I'm going to bring in something right now. So I'm going to tap on media and bring in the video that I had shot. I wanted to use for this. Okay, I think this is the video. Okay, so this is the video. All right, I'm going to bring it in and use it to keep in the middle. So this is actually what you are going to be seeing at the beginning of this video. All right, so permit me to extend this to the end so that I can be able to get everything that I want right now. So let's see. So this is it. So I am going to now bring in the pop-ups. All right, so I'm still working on this video. Okay, I'm going to cut or crop. All right, I'm going to crop up to this point. All right, and take out the green background.
Before you check if this is the end.
So let's increase the speed. All of this, you don't have to see this, but let's just
wait, before you check if this is the end of the video. No, this is actually the beginning, but this is what I am going to be teaching you in this video, how to make your end screens to pop like the one you're currently seeing. And if you watch the video to the end, I'm also going to teach you how to add end screens to your video using your mobile phone. Are you excited already? So am I. Let's jump right in, and I hope I caught you in that trick.
Awesome, so this is where it stopped. All right, now let's take out the background. Let's take out the background with our chroma key. Okay, this is the video. Let's take out the background. Awesome. Okay, so background gone. Can now enlighten this video. Can now enlighten this video, but well, let me just round up doing this. Then we will still have to put this video in a circle. All right, we still have to put this video in a circle. Okay, I think it's good now. So we'll still have to put this video in a circle so that it doesn't block things, or we can just keep it right here. Okay, right here, we can still leave it right here. Okay, so now we have this video looking this way.
Wait, before you check if this is the end of
let's take it up a little. All right, so now we have it.
Wait, before you check if this is the end of the video.
All right, I think I can even use the slide up. Okay, this slide up didn't give me what I want. Okay, let's use slide up. All right, but that slide up will not give me what I want. Okay, let's use wipe up. All right, so we have this now.
Wait, before you check if this
0.5. Okay,
wait, before you check if this is the end of the video. No, this is actually the beginning, but this is what I am going to be teaching you in this video, how to make your end screens to pop like the one you're currently seeing. And if you watch the video to the end, I'm also going to teach you how to add end screens to your video using your mobile phone. Are you excited already? So am I. Let's jump right in, and I hope I caught you in that trick.
Alright guys, so what I just used now can actually be something, you still see something like this at the end of the video though. Something that has to do with you telling people, okay, subscribe to my channel, if you want to watch more video, something like that. Okay, just get yourself to say something for 20 seconds, encouraging people to take the action of subscribing to your channel or watch more videos and all of that. Okay, so that's what you can take this video that appeared right here to be as. Alright, so I'm currently extending them. So once you're done with this, you export the video and you are good to go. Alright, okay, and you are good to go. Alright, so we are good right now. Okay, we are good. So I'm just going to tap and export the video. Alright, I'll just tap save and then it starts saving, and that is it. Alright, so to add an end screen to your video using your smartphone, you're going to go to Chrome, because you can't actually do this with your YT Studio. Alright, so you're going to go to Chrome and then you're going to go to studio.youtube. Alright, you're going to go to studio.youtube/. Alright, then also you need to ensure that continue to studio. You need to ensure that your Chrome is on desktop side. All right, it should be on desktop side, but it didn't ask me for that because I had already used studio.youtube. Okay, so now you're going to go to content, just zoom in. All right, you see content. Okay, this is content. All right, so you select the video that you want to add an end screen to. For instance, this first video, so you see the first edit button. Okay, so I'm going to tap on that edit button. All right, zoom back out and tap end screen. So once you select end screen, this is where you can select any of the end screen that you want. Why you're seeing this is because I'd already added an end screen to this, so whichever one you select and then customize it, maybe best for viewer, whatever one. All right, select save, and that is how you add an end screen to your video. Was that video helpful? You might want to watch more tutorial videos on my channel, like the one I released recently, and then hit the subscribe button up here and ring the bell so you always be the first to know when I release a fresh video. That is if you want to keep watching videos from me, and of course you want to. My name is Frederick. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.